Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to paint Plankton. We're going to paint an upside down U shape, make it wide, and also make sure it tilts slightly to the right side. Continue the shape and try to end up with something that looks like a massive bean. For his monobrow, start with mapping out two lines parallel to each other and then connect them with a little V shape in between. To complete the eye, map out a massive U shape underneath that overlaps the right side of the body. For the mouth, I'm going to paint two diagonal lines underneath and then box off two sections for the teeth. Adding a little curved line for the cheek and then some detail in his mouth. I'm going to start mapping out his arm, so it's two lines parallel to each other, and then continue them in a 90 degrees angle to finish off the arm. For the second arm, I'm just going to pull a line from the midsection of his body towards the other arm to make it look like he's clapping. I'm going to add two tiny sausages at the bottom to paint his legs. And now that the majority of the outline is done, I'm going to curate and then we're going to start color blocking. To fill in the character, I'm going to be using a gorgeous green. I'm going to fill in his body, his legs and his arms. Once the whole body is filled in with green, I'm going to flash cure and then use dark green to paint his antennas. For the eyes or eye, I'm going to use a pale yellow and then dark purple for the inner section of the mouth. Curing this for 20 seconds and then going in with pink to fill in the tongue area and then add a red dot at the center of his eye. I'm going to cure this for another 10 seconds and then swap onto white and fill in the teeth section as well as paint an incomplete dot at the center of the red dot we just painted earlier. Now we can move on to black to fill in the last bits and outline our character. I'm gonna fill his eyebrow and then add a little bit more detail at the center of his mouth. I'm then gonna start outlining the lower part of his body and then just go over all the lines we painted when we started mapping out the character. Sometimes it's easy to forget where the outlines are after the color blocking stage, so always have a picture or reference picture in front of you, or try and paint the character with a slightly translucent shade so you can still see the outlines that you painted earlier. Remember guys, when doing outlines, you want to apply the least amount of pressure. The outlines in the outer section, surrounding the character, they can be thick, but the inner section, the facial features, anything like that, looks a lot better when it's thinner and it's crisp and light. Using black, we're going to add 4 lines on each antenna to add some more detail, and also add a few lines to complete his teeth. We're going to cure this fully and then move on to the best part of the video, which is sealing in all of that goodness and making sure we cure this bad boy for the last time before I reveal the final result. And this is it, you guys. We just painted Plankton. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed filming it. If there's anything you'd like to see next, let me know in the comments below. And as usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you all on the next one.